welcome back to my channel. Today we are playing Solar Smash. Right here's my brother. He's watching me play because he likes Solar Smash, don't you?
I like it.
Say hello as well.
Hello as well.
Why are you copying me?
I'm sorry.
It's okay, I'm not mad at you. So we have the planet Earth here. So basically we are going to try to explode the sun. Should I show you how to explode the sun?
Yeah.
So we'll go on the second part, pick this laser.
Stop it.
Wait. Now we'll put it on the strength of 5. And this time I'm choosing the color. It's blue. Now we'll just aim at the sun. We'll aim it at the sun. And we'll wait. Look at the sun exploding. Okay, I'm going to try to destroy the planet as well. I'm helping the sun. What? Okay. 0 million people are living here. And making the Earth destroyed. Make it explode!
No, my turn.
Okay. Look, it's like a ring.
Yeah.
And then there's gas.
Now it's my
Or
turn.
like a cloud.
Now it's my
Look,
turn.
the clouds still. Okay. Reset planet. Crash delivery. How far can you jump? This is actually a pretty good game.
You cannot
Install.
No.
It's a good game. I don't know.
Now my turn.
Okay. Wait.
This time I want to pick a color.
Okay, which color? Yellow?
No, I want turquoise.
Oh, okay.
I like.
What's the strength you want?
I want. No. Turquoise.
Wait, I'll put turquoise for you. You know 5, 4, 3, 2, or 1.
No.
You can't go more than 5.
I want 5.
Okay.
I want
You gonna make this whole thing destroyed?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh wait, look, you made a hole.
Yeah. Let's do this one.
Oh, black holes. Okay. We're adding so much black holes.
Yeah.
Whoa, this whole planet is almost destroyed. You nearly took everything away, didn't you?
Yeah.
This is really cool.
Yeah.
What? Wait, you made the whole thing destroyed?
Yeah.
Then try to make this sun go away. Just copy me. Whoa! Wait, let's see what happens. Wait. Whoa! We're in an explosion. Whoa. Look, the Earth wasn't there, and it still explodes. Whoa.
No, it does explode.
That's pretty cool.
Where's the Earth?
Let's test out another planet. Let's test out Mars and see what's inside. Magma. Okay. You like planet Mars?
Yeah.
Okay. And the tallest mountain in the whole solar system is located on Mars. I forgot the name of it though. Wait! There's a bottom of Mars still there. There. You gonna use black holes?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm adding black holes. We're nearly destroying Mars. Wow. This is really cool. Isn't it?
Yeah.
I know.
I knew that.
Oh. So now we'll try exploding our sun. Whoa! So right now is the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to smash that subscribe button and like. See you guys. Bye.
Bye. Bye.
Bye, guys.